I love the way this image looked in my backyard, hiking up the mountain with the really golden looking tiger lilies against the purple lupins and the deep green colors and the brightly lit meadows beyond. I decided to start this painting the opposite of how we're traditionally taught, of going from big to small details. I decided to start with the small details of those tiger lilies and those marks for the lupins, and then start adding in the little bits of greens here and there. And when I had the paint on there nice and wet and goopy using a combo of GAC 500 with glazing medium, I scratched into those areas of wet paint with a fork tined kind of silicone tool, as well as some other rubber tools. I discovered that when I glazed over the lupins with some purple and the paint underneath was the phthalo blue-red shade, I decided that the phthalo blue-red shade, even though it wasn't the color in the photograph, looked a lot more luminous on the painting. I love the interplay of bright colors against some of those neutrals, and when a painting doesn't quite work, just like when you have a machine that doesn't work and you kick it and it starts working, a little bit of splatter is always a great thing to bring some interest into your painting. P.S. Don't kick your machines, just try the splatter. Have fun, bye! Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe for notice of new videos. Take care.